Hello guys, my name is Harish and I have started this YouTube channel to uh, educate those who want to learn digital marketing. And why I started this channel? I started this channel because there are many people out there who want to learn digital marketing and they do not have a single platform where they can go and learn digital marketing in detail. Even if they go to any channel to watch or learn digital marketing, they are not that much satisfied, right? Still they have many doubts left on their minds, right? So I just want to bridge that gap. I want to create such content, such extensive content that is able to satisfy the user, that is able to satisfy all the doubts that they have in their mind, right? So I can promise you that I will try to come up with as extensive content as possible on my channel. So this is my first video, and from post one video every 2 days, and I'll start with the SEO course, and whatever comes in SEO, whatever topic comes in the SEO, I will try to cover each topic in one video in as detailed manner as possible. And I hope that you will receive a lot of value from my side, and you will enjoy watching my video. And if I forget to upload any video, or I forget to cover any topic on digital marketing, you are absolutely free to write to me at my email that I have given, and I will try to come up uh, uh, with that topic in very detailed manner. So now, enough of beating around the bush. So I will directly take you to my computer screen, where you will see the slides. And one more thing I would like to add, that after I finished my video, I will also give you a PDF link to my slides that I have created after doing a lot of research. So they will help you a lot, and I will provide you free of cost. And let me tell you, I have started this channel today, and I will not charge you anything. I will provide you everything for free. This is something that I can promise you. In the future also, whatever video I will upload on YouTube, you will get it absolutely free from my side, because my vision is to provide you a quality education for free of cost. This is my vision, and I want to stand by my values, no matter what circumstances I face. Without doing any further delay, I will take you to my computer screen, and from you'll start taking in whatever I teach you. So this is the full SEO course in detail, and that I will be teaching you. It is just an outline. It is not the whole course. I just want you to get the rough idea about what comes under the SEO course, right? So once you have got the idea, then it would be easier to absorb the things that I will be teaching you in the SEO course. And so without any further ado, let's get started. So I have decided to divide this course into 10 modules, right? So in each module there are different topics. So I will cover each topic in a separate video in full detail. So, but right now we will just go through each module just to get the idea about what are the things that are there in SEO course. Okay. So this is the first module, which is SEO basics and background. So we will study it first. So we will try to understand about domain and website and how do they work, what is the link between them, and we will also study about types of websites and their importance, and about what is World Wide Web, what is internet, and we will also discuss about internet marketing and digital marketing, and what are the difference between these two terms. And I will also explain what is internet marketing, what are their types, and what are their importance in the today's scenario. And then we will talk about what are the search engines, and what importance they have in today's scenario, and we will talk about how does a search engine work, right? So now moving on to the next slide, we will also talk about the different search engine algorithms and what is their architecture, and we will also talk about the introduction of search engine, what is their meaning, and one of the most important thing that we will discuss is search engine result page. So when you will start doing SEO in practical way, then you will it will be very important for you to know about search engine result page. It will be very important for you to understand the significance of it. It will be very important for you to understand how a page ranks in the first page, in the first position, and what are the factors that play a significant role in bringing that particular URL, that particular page in the first position or in the first page. So you will be observing a lot, you will be spending a lot of time with search result engine page, and we will talk about the advanced search commands and what are their operators. We'll talk about search engine algorithms and their updates, their capabilities, their functions, and then we will talk about page rank and how important it is for the Google. And let me tell you, page rank is at the core of what Google does everything, right? So, and how does it impact the ranking? So we will be talking about all these things uh, in this SEO tutorial, and then we will talk about the SEO and what is the importance of it in the online marketing, and we will also discuss SEO and SEM. What is the major difference between these two terms? Because this is the thing that is asked a lot in the interviews, right? We will talk about how a search engine works, because without understanding it, you cannot uh, you cannot manipulate it, you cannot work upon it, right? And we'll talk about SEO terminologies, we'll talk about the concept, right? Because in SEO you will find many jargons, many terminologies, many different names that you need to be familiar with if you want to do your work effectively. Third module, we will talk about the keyword research. And keyword research is one of the most important thing in SEO. And keyword research is the only component which can break or make your SEO, which can make your website successful. So it is very important that you select right keywords and you can write content around right keywords. So it is very important. So we will understand what are the keywords and what are the tools that we can use to find the right keywords to target. We will also discuss the different techniques by which you can find out the right keywords to target in your website. We will also talk about the difference between long tail and short tail keywords. We will also do the competitor analysis. We'll try to figure out what kind of keywords our competitors or nearest competitors are targeting. And we will try to outsmart them. We'll try to choose better keywords than them in order to outrank them in the Google search engine result page. We will also create a keyword list around which you can create the content on your website, which will play a major role in bringing the right and relevant users to your website. In the fourth module, we will talk about on-page SEO, and these are the things that come under on-page SEO. We'll talk about title tags, meta description, how do they play important role in an article, in a page. We'll talk about different header tags, how we can optimize them, and where we can include keywords, and how we can write interactive and good header tags. We'll talk about image optimization, and we'll talk about how images are ranked, how do we optimize it in the best or efficient way. We'll talk about the URL structure, how a URL should be structured so that it can be ranked in the top position of the Google search engine. We'll talk about the content optimization, how we can structure the content, what are the things that we need to keep in mind while writing a content, and we'll talk about the internal linking and the major role it plays in the indexing of the website. We'll talk about how we can make our website mobile friendly, which is very important these days. Uh, we'll talk about the user experience and SEO and how they are linked together. So moving on to the next slide, we will also discuss about the off-page SEO. Guys, off-page SEO is as important as the on-page SEO and technical SEO, right? So we will learn about different backlink and link building strategies. We will know how we can make the guest post, right? How we can outreach the client in the similar niche, how we can find out their emails, how we can outreach them. We'll talk about all these things. We'll talk about influencer outreach, which is very important if you want to survive for long term in the SEO game. We'll talk about how we can build online reputation, right? And we will also discuss about black hat SEO and how we can avoid making spammy and wrong links on our website. And we will also talk about technical SEO, and these are the things that come under technical SEO, like XML sitemap, how we can set up the robot.txt, how we can optimize the page speed, what are the components that come under page speeds, and how we can, how we can speed of our website can be increased to a different level. We'll talk about this schema markup and how we can implement it in our web pages. We'll talk about the canonical tags and how do they impact our pages, and we'll also learn about HTTPS and website safety and security, how we can protect it. We will also learn about mobile friendly design, how we can create a design that is mobile friendly, and most of the traffic is driven from uh, the mobile only. So it is very important that we make our website mobile friendly, and Google also prioritize the websites that are mobile friendly, right? So we will talk about the local SEO as well. We will learn how we can do the local SEO, how we can create Google My Business account, how we can bring the leads locally. We will also learn about how to make local citation, how to make a customer review on the page, and what is the role of uh, rating in the website appearing on the top pages. We'll also talk about the local SEO tools that you can use to bring the leads from local sources. We'll also learn about SEO analytics, and it is very important that uh, you make data driven decisions, because if you do not make the data driven decisions, you cannot expect to succeed in the SEO. So you need to study the user behavior, the user's demography, and based on that, you need to make effective decision. Based on that, you need to optimize your website. We will learn how we can set up Google Analytics, how we can set up Google Search Console, how we can link them up with the website. We will also learn how we can track the SEO performance and what are the key performance indicators, and because it is very important that you must be able to gauge the success of your SEO offers, and you will be able to know it only by setting up the key performance indicators, right? We'll also learn about SEO trends and future developments that are taking place in the world of SEO. We have this voice search and SEO, we have the video SEO, we have mobile first indexing, artificial intelligence, and the EAT concept. So we will be covering everything in a very detailed manner. We will also learn the tools and resources by which we can enhance our knowledge um, in a better way. As you know that without tools you cannot do SEO effectively. It is very important that you have access to either of the tools that I will be suggesting you in my next videos that I will be uploading on this channel. We'll also learn about the SEO blogs and forums that exist in the market, and you need to follow them in order to stay updated, in order to stay ahead of the market. And we will talk about the different books and the courses to follow in digital marketing that will take your skills to the next level. So these are the things that we will be covering in our full SEO course. And don't worry, this is just an outline. This is just a rough things that we will be covering. But when I will be coming up with separate videos for each points, each topics, then I will be covering them in a very detailed manner. And I can promise you that you will not have any doubt left on your mind once you watch my video. So if you are watching this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please make a comment in the comment box and like my videos. And this will encourage me to put in more efforts than I'm putting right now. So